Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to take you through one of my favorite quinoa recipes. It's quinoa and goat cheese parsley salad with almonds. This dish is a great lunch or dinner option for anyone who is looking to eat healthy and balanced meal. Quinoa is a gluten-free seed that is higher in protein compared to many other seeds and grains out there, and extremely high in calcium. When you combine quinoa with goat cheese, you will be able to tap to the abundance of calcium. So, needlessly to say, this dish is a perfect dish for anyone who is looking for alternative calcium sources rather than cow's milk. And an interesting fact about this is that when you combine quinoa with almonds or any other nuts, you will get essential amino acids, which make all the essential amino acids, which makes it a perfect meal for a vegetarian. For this dish, I've chosen a blend of different quinoa colors, as you can see here, to maximize its antioxidant content. The darker the seed, the more nutrients it contains. So don't shy away from dark colored seeds and beans, because that's where the nutrition is. The combination of raw vegetables and nuts that I've chosen for this dish will give you a crunchy texture, an intense flavor, and added nutritional benefits such as vitamin E, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, potassium, iron, B group vitamins, and of course antioxidants and vitamin C. This is a tasty and super healthy dish that can be served by its own or as a side dish perfectly paired with pan-fried fish. However, it's got all the essential amino acids, so it can be eaten without any serving of fish or meat. So I'll be starting from mixing, actually doing my dressing to start with. So I mix olive oil, and I use extra virgin organic olive oil and balsamic vinegar. I mix it with goat cheese and make a base for my dressing. There you go. So mix it well. And this is one serving. Mix it with, once you combine it well, you can now add your quinoa. And the rest of the ingredients. So for that dish, I have chosen rocket, cucumbers, different nuts, red onions, avocado, herbs, and olives. So maybe let's mix olives and red onions. Doesn't really matter which order it is. And the nuts. Mix it well, and you are ready to add rocket. Now that dish is ready to be plated. So it's extremely fresh and crunchy, and it's a meal in its own, but of course obviously you can match it with the fish or even a steak. On the end I add avocado and some fresh herbs. And have a look at this. How amazing it is. Yum, I cannot wait to eat it. There you go.